welcome to another Airsoft review. Today I have got the KWA 1911A1 NS2 gas blowback pistol. So let's open the box and see what we've got in it. So we've got a 15 round magazine, a hop-up adjustment tool, and the pistol. So the pistol is full metal apart from two places, the pistol grip and the outer barrel just there. So we've got a mag release just there, and I bought another 15 round mag. We've got a safety just here. Can't do anything now. Trigger. We've also got another sort of safety here where you can't fire the gun unless you're pushing this down. So now I can pull the trigger back and clock it and fire. We've got a two-stage hammer. That is also another safety. And pull that back and fire. And that will represent there's no ammo left, and the slide release is just there. So, yep. What else? And there's also a pistol lanyard grip or attachment hook just there, so you can attach the pistol thing there. So you got some sights just there. You've got a laser etched license number there, the name of the gun there, the cow. We've also got some engravings there. So yeah, overall it's a good gun so far. I'll show you how to load the magazine with BBs and gas. So just get some few BBs. So we've got a spring inside, so we pull down this and it locks in like that, and then you slide the BBs through there. I'll just put a few in, and then you push that down again and it slides all the way out. Let's get some gas. The gas goes in there. I normally hold it for 6 seconds, but people's opinions change as well. So put the magazine in, clock it back, and that's ready to fire. So I'll zoom out and fire. We're out of magazine, out of ammo, so slide back, put it to safety. So that is just an overlooked sort of review of the KWA 1911A1 NS2 system. It's a very nice gun so far. I will be doing a shooting review or test on this. So, and also just one note, I ordered this from Airsoft World, and when I got it, it didn't have a manual. So I contact Airsoft World and they say, so if you get this problem, if you don't get a manual from KWA, don't worry, KWA do not send manuals out with their guns in the UK, I think, but I found where you can download the manual for this gun, and I'll put the link in the description as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I have got some more reviews coming. I've got the review of the S Thunder launcher as well, and some tactical gear coming. So stay tuned, and I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you very much.